always think that, we are the one who are compromising and other people are very happy in their relationship. We all think that, right? But situation is not like that. Everyone is facing challenges and everyone is having happy moments also. Hi, I'm Bhavna and welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. So today we'll talk about some things which we can overcome as a couple, which we feel that only small issues or they can be very big issues. So let's see that what are the things which we can overcome as a couple. First is, and I feel it's very important, that is conflict with MIL. Yeah, you guessed it right, the full form. So it's an issue, from ages, and nobody has ever, nobody got the solution, the correct solution for this. But there are some we can, just minimize the things at least. So again, on this thing I have talked about in my earlier videos also. That first thing is that एक मेंटल डिस्टेंस रखें, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. फिजिकल डिस्टेंस इफ इट्स पॉसिबल, वेल एंड गुड. इफ इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल देन प्लीज हैव अ मेंटल डिस्टेंस. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड बी पोलाइट, बी क्लियर टू देम. आप अपनी प्रायोरिटीज, अपनी प्रेफरेंसेस उनके सामने रखें और उनके पर्सपेक्टिव की भी रिस्पेक्ट करें और म्यूचुअल तरीकों से चीज़ों को डील करने की कोशिश करें. बोर्डम ऑफ रूटीन. What happens when you spend so many years with a person, maybe 10 years, 15 years, what happens that you feel that there's no mystery here now about your maybe what can surprise you, or any other thing, what you like and what you don't like. So too much information basically there. So when there is too much information, then there is a boredom. So to avoid that boredom, you should always surprise the other person, and you should always you can always tell that no, I used to like it, but now I like this. So there should be a surprise element always. Because if you keep on doing the same things, then everything becomes a routine, and it should definitely take out time. It's very very important. Don't neglect it. When you neglect it, ultimately it creates a lot of problems, and which can be cured if you just spend time together, quality time. And quality is always over quantity. It's not important that you are spending 7 days a week together, 24 hours. No, if you are spending quality time, it's more than enough. Unequal distribution of household chores. And what happens that, as we have seen in lockdown phase also, that household chores are not equally distributed. It's like one person is managing everything, and then he or she is cribbing that I am doing everything, you don't do anything, and then there are fights. I've seen it a lot of times. My friends tells me that that husband is not supporting in children's studies, and so many examples are there. So when this unequal distribution is there is a lot of anguish inside the person who is managing everything, and ultimately everything collapses. One day they are telling that we can't stand each other. It always happens. It's very very common. So please focus on this, that there should not be an unequal distribution of household chores. जो भी आप करें उसको इक्वली डिवाइड करें, उसको प्रॉपरली मैनेज करें और अपनी अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से को अवॉइड ना करें. मीन्स वी समटाइम्स वी आर्ग्यू फॉर आवर्स एंड देन वी रियलाइज कि कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं था आर्ग्यूमेंट का. कोई if somebody comes and they ask you that what was the reason of this argument, so you'll not be able to tell. You'll forget that how it started. Sometimes these things happens. It's something you can overcome. Please avoid these petty arguments. And I really feel that and I implemented also that I don't want to win every fight. That's very very important. This is again a very common and important thing, that is financial pressure after having kids. What happens that when everything is planned, things becomes very easy. Sometimes what happens that you are not prepared and things happens, and that time financial things takes a toll over you. You don't understand how to manage all this, and if only one partner is earning, then it becomes a havoc. So to avoid these financial problems, you should always focus on savings, plan each and everything, that how to manage finances, how much will be contributed by each person in the family. And it's very very important, because financial crisis is something which just ruins the relationship. I have heard about so many relationships falling down just because of this financial crisis. So please manage it properly. And I really feel that with a couple, if intention is right, if both want to contribute more and And then things becomes very very easy. Checking out other people. When these things happens, uh, it depends on the situation. Like if you feel that it's a thing which is happening, and you should be aware of that, you should be conscious of that, that should have a check, on what is happening. Because sometimes what happens that these things ruins the relationship, and we realize it very late, and then things are out of our control. So you should be aware. That is very very important. Be aware of your surroundings, what is happening. Forgetting about important dates, it's a very common scenario, where generally, I'm sorry, I don't want to hurt men's feelings, but yes, generally it happens with men. They forget the dates, and they don't know, okay, what is the birthday date, what is the anniversary date, and then they are, the other person feels that they are not important. Things becomes worse. So take a note of all the dates, and realize that these things are important, especially to women. These things are, women are so much emotionally connected to these things. For men maybe it's like, just a celebration, but women are emotionally connected to these things. So these things can be avoided. As one is not discussing finances. Again, an issue which is very very common, that husband and wife don't discuss their finances. Husband will all, men or women, whoever is earning, they'll say that no, I'll manage, it's okay. But the other person, when she or he is not aware of the finances and everything, so they don't know how to do the expenses and how to manage everything. So it's very very important to discuss the finances. There is no ego here. I really feel it's not about male or female ego, it's about the person who is earning. They get a little ego that, why should I talk about it, I am managing everything, what is the need of talking. It's very very important, believe me, because it gives you an idea, how to manage everything. Even with kids also, everything should be managed properly, and for that you should discuss finances. It's the only way to have a peaceful relationship. So these were the things I wanted to discuss with you, which a couple can overcome definitely, and they can have a better relationship and avoid conflicts. So I hope you liked it. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.